Working with the entire SOSNA team was a very positive experience. Andre has a very streamlined operation. Everyone we worked with, Anna, our designer, knew exactly what we wanted, was able to execute it in a very timely manner. All the contractors that we worked with were very professional, punctual, very reliable people to work with, and they did a fantastic job walking us through this oftentimes what would be considered a very stressful experience, and they were able to get our project going in a very, very positive way.
And they kept the place really clean. While this whole thing was happening, we stayed in the house and we came home like everything was cleaned up every night. We didn't have any issues. It was a great concern to us at that beginning, right? But then, you know, everything was fine.
In the 6 months since we've had our new space, I would say that I've entertained more friends here in the last 6 months than I have in 6 years. And everyone, all my friends have been very complimentary about the design of the space. They love our floors, they love our countertop, they love our bathroom, the kitchen. Everyone's just amazed and wowed by such a huge transformation and how well it was executed.
Yep, and we like to thank Anna for her patience, because like without her we wouldn't have picked the right flooring for the countertop, you know. Her vision was there. We didn't have that. We walked into that ceramic tile store and we were like, which one should we pick? They all look similar, right?
Yeah, they're very professional, know exactly what they're doing, and we really wanted a team that had the design aspect as well as the experience and know how to execute that. So overall, we're very pleased with our entire experience with SOSNA, and we would highly recommend them. Thank you very much, SOSNA.
Thank you.